Here's a video of Cali and Mozart's puppies, born on July 17th. They are now, 5 weeks. Yeah. Coming up to 5 weeks. Doing very well on solids. They're, I'll show you here, on dry kibble, minus the coffee. Anyway, they're totally weaned, and it's just playtime now. I've just changed the pen. Obviously, it does not look like this first thing in the morning. So they're doing very well, growing incredibly, eating well, pooping well, and playing well. Just genuinely being typical puppies. And they're all awake and playing right now. And they go back and forth here. See my setup. And when I wake up in the morning, I don't hear a sound all night, but I mostly their poops are on one end, and they're sleeping on the other end. It's the normal instinct to get away from it. And very sweet characters. Oh, I see some of them are napping over there, but I'm going to start putting them outside too for a little bit. They're getting old enough, and it's not so hot out. They're all kind of doing their own thing here. Okay. Very well socialized in the middle of our house. So there you go. I'll try and zoom in. Oh, I see 2 nappers here. Wakey wakies, come on, you're on camera. Hey, cutie pies. Yeah. Oh. We're watching the big guys here. See, there's Diego and Lexi. Dreaming of the days when they can run around like that too. Okay, well, they're all huddled in a little pile, but they do have a lot of space to run back and forth. There we go. Come here, guys. Hey, cuties. Yeah, you all kind of come here. Yeah, come here. Come here. Yeah. Mischievous. Sharp little shark teeth. Okay. Yes. I hope you can all see your puppy. I think I have... I think I have a couple of their collars off. Yes, I have Mr. Black Stripes, Miss Light Blue, and Mr. Blue Tartan's collars off because they keep falling off. So I hope you can spot your puppies. Go by the markings. If not, let me know. I know them all. It's just that I don't like them on when they don't fit properly. Okay, cool. Hope you can see some of them scrapping. It's fairly sporadic, so. The life of a puppy. Okay, well, that's it for this week. Give you an overview. Hey guys. Hey cuties. Hey. Okay, bye-bye.